Today we'll be making some Vietnamese spring rolls with lemongrass chicken and the sauce to dip them in. This is my version of the Vietnamese spring roll, and it is also a family favorite since it is both low carbs and low fat. Before we start, please support this channel by liking and subscribing below. First, we need 3 tablespoons sliced lemongrass from the soft part or inner stems only. Then we slice our chicken breast horizontally to create 2 thinner slices. We need about 575 to 660 grams chicken breast, or about 1/2 pounds. Put the sliced lemongrass in a blender, add 1 tablespoon water, 2 tablespoon oil, 1/2 teaspoon low sodium soy sauce, 1/2 tablespoon garlic, 1/2 teaspoon fish sauce, and use good quality fish sauce, and blend until smooth. Pour onto the chicken and ensure that it is distributed evenly. Add 1 tablespoon brown sugar and sprinkle some meat tenderizer on both sides of the chicken. Marinate the chicken overnight. I have some shredded carrots here. You can use them fresh or you can season them. If you want them seasoned, I would suggest seasoning overnight. Measurement is in the description box. Crack an egg and whisk to seal the wonton or Chinese spring roll wrapper. This is the wonton wrapper. This is how I wrap mine. This is to create crunch inside the spring roll. And this is the Chinese spring roll wrapper. Heat up oil in a pan and deep fry the wonton or spring roll wrapper until golden brown. Cut and de-seed the cucumbers. I use baby cucumbers and I de-seed using a spoon. Then I slice it thinly. This is what they look like. Wash your cilantro. I like to separate the stem section from the leaf section and just use the leaf section. You don't have to do that. Cut into 1-inch length. Then prepare your lettuce and take out part of the hard stem so it does not puncture the spring roll. Then set aside. I like to prepare the sauce ahead of time because this spring roll wrapper will not stay good for long. This sauce only needs 3 ingredients: 2 tablespoons creamy peanut butter, 2 tablespoons hoisin sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, and 3 tablespoons hot water. Then we mix them. Prepare your charcoal grill, or I have an indoor grill. If you are using the same indoor grill as mine, then you want to preheat the grill to medium. When it said add food, add the chicken. You should hear the sizzle. Let it grill for 3 minutes, then flip and grill for another 3 to 4 minutes, depending on the size of your chicken. Let it cool a little and slice the chicken. See how moist the chicken is? Now it's time to assemble. I dipped my Vietnamese spring roll wrapper in a slightly warm water. When it is slightly softened, add the lettuce, sliced chicken, cucumbers, carrots, cilantro or any herbs you like, fried spring roll wrapper or wonton wrapper, and fold. Watch how I fold it. I'll do it one more time. You can put the ingredients any order you like, but the lettuce is always first. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.